Hi everyone, welcome back to Rich Mind Channel, where we unlock the secrets to building wealth and living a richer life. Have you ever wondered how the wealthy seem to effortlessly grow their money? It's not magic, it's about mastering the right strategies. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of investing. And I'm going to reveal a step-by-step guide on how to invest like the rich, even if you don't have millions in the bank. We'll be exploring the powerful concepts they use, from leveraging assets to understanding income-producing opportunities. This is your chance to level up your financial game and start building a brighter future. Make sure you stick around until the very end of the video, because I'm going to be sharing a secret strategy that most people don't know about. A strategy that can fast-track your journey to financial freedom. It's time to break free from the ordinary and step into a world of financial empowerment. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Understanding how the rich invest. You see, most people approach money with a scarcity mindset, working for money their entire lives. The rich, on the other hand, understand that money is a tool to be leveraged, a way to create more wealth. They focus on building assets, things that put money back in their pockets, instead of liabilities that drain their accounts. Let me introduce you to two individuals, John and Mike. Both work hard and earn a good living, but their approaches to money are drastically different. John, stuck in the traditional mindset, trades his time for money, spending most of his earnings on expenses and liabilities. Mike, however, thinks differently. He invests his money in assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. These assets generate passive income, meaning money flows in even while Mike sleeps, works, or enjoys his hobbies. Over time, Mike's wealth snowballs as his assets grow and generate even more passive income. This, my friends, is the fundamental difference between building wealth and simply earning an income. The rich understand that true wealth is built by owning assets that generate cash flow, providing them with financial freedom and security. Chapter 2. Investing in income-producing assets. Now let's explore some of the most powerful income-producing assets that you can start investing in today. First up, we have dividend stocks. When you buy shares of a dividend-paying company, you're essentially becoming a part owner of that business. As a shareholder, you're entitled to a portion of the company's profits, which they distribute in the form of dividends. These dividends can provide you with a steady stream of passive income, and the best part is, you can reinvest those dividends to buy even more shares, accelerating your wealth-building journey. Next, we have real estate, a tangible asset that has stood the test of time. Rental properties, for example, can generate monthly cash flow from rental income. As you pay down the mortgage on your property, your equity grows, and you can even leverage that equity to acquire more properties, building a real estate empire. And finally, we have the exciting world of online businesses. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to create and grow online businesses that generate passive income. Whether it's through e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or creating and selling digital products, the potential for online income is limitless. Chapter 3. Using leverage like the rich. Now let's talk about leverage, one of the most powerful tools the rich use to amplify their wealth. Leverage simply means using other people's money to invest in assets. Think of it like this. When you buy a house using a mortgage, you're using the bank's money to acquire an asset that will hopefully appreciate in value over time. The key to using leverage effectively is to ensure that the asset you're investing in generates enough cash flow to cover the debt payments and still put money in your pocket. For example, if you buy a rental property with a mortgage, the rental income should ideally cover the mortgage payments, property taxes, and other expenses, leaving you with a positive cash flow. However, it's crucial to remember that leverage is a double-edged sword. While it can amplify your returns, it can also magnify your losses. That's why it's essential to use leverage wisely and to thoroughly understand the risks involved before taking on any debt. Chapter 4. Investing in yourself first. Before you invest a single dollar in any asset, it's crucial to invest in yourself first. The greatest asset you have is your mind, and the more you learn, the more you earn. As Warren Buffett famously said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and the specific assets you're interested in. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and learn from experienced mentors. The more knowledge you acquire, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Remember, investing is a lifelong journey, and the more you invest in your financial education, the greater your potential for success. Don't be afraid to seek out knowledge, ask questions, and continuously expand your understanding of the financial world. Chapter 5. Start small but start now. You don't need a fortune to start investing. The most important step is to simply begin. Even if you can only invest a small amount each week, the power of compound interest can work wonders over time. Imagine investing just $10 a week in a low-cost index fund that tracks the S&P 500. Over 30 years, assuming an average annual return of 8%, your investment would grow to over $100,000. That's the magic of compound interest. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, creating a snowball effect over time. So, don't let the fear of starting small hold you back. The key is to develop the habit of investing consistently, and over time, those small contributions can add up to significant wealth. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is today. Outro. Unlock your financial freedom. Today we've unlocked the secrets to investing like the rich, even if you're starting with a modest budget. Remember, it's about shifting your mindset to focus on building income-producing assets, using leverage wisely to amplify your returns, and always investing in your financial education. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to financial empowerment. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Rich Mind for more wealth-building strategies and tips. Remember, the path to financial freedom starts with a single step. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. I'll see you in the next video.